Welcome to Montana Language Services Language Access Staff Training. As a requester, you have the ability to schedule new appointments and view all your scheduled, completed, and in-progress appointments. Here you will be able to see all your appointments in your calendar, and you can choose either the calendar view or the tabular view. To create a new appointment, click on the gray box that says Create New Appointment. This will launch a new window with a form you must complete to schedule your interpreter. Fill in the form to the best of your ability. Choose your name under the requester list and add a description if you have one. You will need to choose a service delivery. Interpreters for each category are trained and experienced in that industry and in that specialized vocabulary. If you have any questions about which service delivery to choose for your situation, feel free to call or email our office. You will then be asked to choose a communication type. When you book an on-site consecutive interpreter, you are requesting an interpreter to appear in person at the address you provide in the form. Consecutive refers to the type of interpreting when speakers take turns speaking, as opposed to simultaneous, where the interpreter speaks at the same time as the speaker. When you book a scheduled video interpreter, you are requesting a scheduled video call between the requester, interpreter, and the LEP. When you choose the scheduled video interpreter option, you must use the built-in caller from your portal dashboard or your mobile app to complete this call. If you wish to provide your own video link, choose third-party platform. When you book an interpreter through a third-party platform, you must provide your own Zoom link or other video link in the notes section, or send the link to our project managers so that your scheduled interpreter can join the correct video call. When you book a scheduled telephonic interpreter, you're requesting a scheduled phone call instead of a video call. If your LEP has expressed a gender preference for your interpreter, you can also enter that here. For on-site interpreters, you must enter the address where you'd like the interpreter to appear, or you may choose from a list of your saved locations. After choosing your communication type, you will need to enter the language combination. If you do not see the correct language in the list, please reach out to our project managers directly. Then you will enter the date and start time and end time of your pre-scheduled appointment request. Be mindful when quoting an estimated duration. We cannot guarantee that the interpreter scheduled will be available after the allotted time for this request has expired. Appointments that go longer than the scheduled duration may be rerouted at the discretion of the interpreter to another available interpreter. This may result in rollover from video to phone interpreting or from a scheduled interpreter to your on-demand caller. The consumer field is required and asks for the limited English proficient individual's information. This is important for the interpreter to identify the correct LEP when arriving on site. Consumer information can also be added to your account profile and can be very helpful for scheduling and billing as well as humanizing LEPs. You also have the option to schedule reoccurring appointments or add in notes for our project managers. For appointments longer than 4 hours, you should book 2 interpreters in order to maintain accuracy, since interpreting can be a very taxing mental task for one person alone to maintain for long periods of time. Once the criteria for the appointment has been successfully added, click Save in the top right corner. You will then be able to see the appointment details in the appointment viewer. Once the appointment has been created, you can add preferred interpreters if you wish. The appointment viewer will include all the relevant details of your interpreter request. For appointments with the yellow box labeled Broadcasted, that means that your appointment has been received by our pool of qualified interpreters and that we are waiting for somebody to accept and confirm the assignment. Once an interpreter has accepted the assignment, your appointment status will become orange with the phrase Confirmation Pending by Admin. This means that your appointment has been accepted by an interpreter or multiple interpreters, but Montana Language Services will decide who will be the best fit for your situation. Appointments in green have been fully confirmed. To edit a request, open the appointment viewer and click Edit at the top right-hand corner. This will open the appointment request form where you can enter in any changes you wish to make to that appointment. Don't forget to click Save once you've entered in your changes. To cancel an appointment, simply click the 3 dots at the top right-hand corner of the appointment viewer and select your reason for canceling. Keep in mind that appointment cancellations within 2 full business days are still invoiced in full. Once your appointment is canceled, the color will change to brown in your calendar.